Everybody, it's Proctor here. Today I'm replacing that ugly gray shift knob that you can see there with this lovely maple wood one that I bought off IPD. Got my lovely instructions here. I did replace the button in here because it was all smashed before and now it's all fixed. Thank you IPD USA. And yeah, I'm going to follow their instructions to get it off. So what it's saying is to put it into a low gear and then pull as hard as you can without blowing it through the roof. So yeah. So it says ignition override the shift lock interlock system, but do not start the car. From the back seat, reach through with both hands, pull on the knob. To remove it, considerable force is required to remove the knob. We have found that wiggling while pulling helps. Brace yourself so you don't dent the roof when it comes loose. This is going to be fun. Okay. I am going to somehow put the camera, which is a gigantic playbook, somewhere. I'm trying to figure out where. Right there is good. Okay, so that's put into low gear. Okay. Key in, accessory on, don't turn it all the way on. Oh shit, I gotta do one more. There we go. Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put it into the lowest gear it has, which is low. Now it's supposed to go in the back seat pull. Okay, in the back seat pull. Wow, I've actually never been in the back seat of this car. It's tiny. Okay. Damn, that actually is pretty solid. Ugh. Oh, shit, man. There's gotta be a way to pull this cover off. Come on. Please. There we go. That piece is off. Now, there we go. Oh, man, that almost killed me there. And there we go. The shift knob is off. What you gotta do... Oh, shit. Oh, I can't turn it off. That's right. So what it is see this piece right here? Right there? This little cushiony part? You gotta turn it sideways, like so, to take it off. So remember that for sure. And then you're all set. And let's put the new knob on. Okay, come on, camera. There we go. And then it should just slide on, I hope. Yeah? I hope. Oh, you know why? The button's not in neutral, is it? Oh, okay. I don't know if it is neutral now. Shit. I gotta go up there, I can't see anything. Alright. Oh, okay. Okay. There we go. You just gotta hit it a few times. And then... Okay. Okay, once it's on, you hammer it down with your hand so the button pops out. Like so. Then, it's really hard to work this camera. This piece right down here, the leather piece here, you gotta slide it up. Come on. And then you gotta put it on. And that's how you do it. I just can't show it on the camera because I'm using a playbook for a camera and it's huge and it's really awkward to maneuver. But yeah, that's how you swap your shift knob. Thanks guys.